Hello, good morning guys. My name is Cynthia Lopez and welcome back to my channel. Guys, we are in Half Moon Bay, California. We're gonna be fishing today. It's been a while since I've been out here with my husband and daughter. I'm really not good at fishing, guys. I suck at it. This is why I never come with them all the time. But he's been doing this for years. Woo, the sun is hitting really nice, guys. He's been doing this for years since I met him. He's been doing fishing, but I just can never. So my daughter and him usually go out and they always leave me. Well, they don't leave me, I just decide not to go because I suck. I really suck at it. And I do enjoy coming, but I hate it that I don't know how to do it, how to fish or anything. But usually I do come with him and her, and I'm just a camera person. I take pictures, I record, I make them lunch. But it's been a while. My daughter's getting really good at it, but for me, I just can't. But today I'm gonna try. My husband said that he's gonna have me doing poke pulling to see if I can get anything in the rocks, any type of fish or crab. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, guys. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with our little fishing day. The day looks so beautiful today. The sun's really out. It's not cold as usual, but here's a little bit. It's the rocks. And I'll show you where we're headed, okay? Here we go. Okay. We were over there and we had to walk all this. I'm telling them how we had to walk all those damn rocks. And what the ocean rat. Oh! Big fat rat. Last time I was here, it was. Oh my gosh. It was wet and big. Oh, why are you telling me this now? I would have never came. We're deeper into the rocks and ocean. The sun is hitting good. Woo, feeling this right now. My husband is getting, ¿cómo dices que se llama esto? Poke pulling ready for me to try it out. And Stacy's already begun with her selfies. You want to take a picture of me? Yes, ma'am. Hold on. I'm like so comfortable right here. Alright, talk to you. We're gonna start fishing now. Wish us good luck. Hopefully we get something. Don't fall in these rocks so far. My thought of going back over there. They were not easy to come over here, but see how it goes. What? I'm going. I want to go over there. Where, baby? Which I might go. Go. Just be careful with the loose rocks. My boots, my little. Right now when we're coming, there's bigger waves. Let me see if I can get one for you guys. I could not record when we were walking in the rocks because, girl, that was dangerous. There's like hella waves coming at us and the rocks get slippery, so I said I cannot record. But so I couldn't record our way in the rocks, but we're here. And let me see if I can get one because it looks pretty cool, but it's scary at the same time. But either way, wish us luck. They are trying to steal our bait. Go away. I'm waiting to see if I get anything. The hole is deep, but it's true. Currently pole pulling. I hope I'm doing it right. I don't think so, but I'm trying my best. Guys, I literally just fucking I got a rock. What the fuck? Oh shit. I'm trying. Come on, get off. You're too little. Try this again. I was just putting it in that little hole and it goes all the way down. So my husband told me as long as it goes all the way down, which right there, I did just that, and I grabbed the smaller crab, but we let it go. It's too little. Una vez ponlo acá. Swing him so he can fall. O ponlo en la agua. A ver si se suelta.
Hey, you took my bait.
Oh! He said, I'm out.
I'm gonna eat you.
The water went down already. Stacy's walking on it. It's crazy how it just went down. We're still here. Haven't catched anything. I'm seeing if this hole has anything. Let me see. That's huge.
Dude, the last time I got one of this one, it was 7. So this
Our first catch. Well, yours. Me and Stacey got 0. Gotcha.
Hey, you're me. Be careful, girl.
Ventala, bicho, ventala. It's lunchtime. I made some sandwiches. Go ahead, bite it. Bite it, girl. Come on. There you go. Ya toda el agua. All the water, it was all water here. And it went down. When we leave, it's gonna be easier now. We can go down here and just walk. But when we came, well, we leave early, yeah. But wait, what time does it start raising again?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know either, but if we don't leave that late, we might still be able to go through here. But because we went through all the rocks right here, that shit's hard. But such a nice weather today here and bonito. Look at that. Dale, dale, dale. Dale, dale.
Que va a tronar. Ahora.
Boo.
You're not a real fisherman.
Boo.
Check my eyes.
A real fisherman wouldn't have
Dale, dale.
A ver que no hay quiebra,
No me vas a pegar.
Why are you swinging so much? It would have been funny if it broke. All that hard work for nothing.
I know.
Eating that catch dinner.
So far we only have this one. Y es porque Freddy lo agarró. Because me and Stacy had bad luck. Look guys, all the water. When we got here in the morning, all this had water still. Look at. Ya bajó todo. All that was filled with water. All the way over there. What are those? I ain't showing mine. This guy, he just got another one. I don't know how he does it. He just goes and he's like, I'm gonna get one. I'm like, okay. And he goes and he comes with another one. What? Oh, put him in the bucket.
They're fighting. Look. Oh!
Here, record it. That on. Just record.
Fight. Look. ¿Qué pez traías, mami?
No, this is a different one. Yeah, the other one. Oh, the other one went under that rock right here. This one right here.
She took your...
My bait. I know. It's only little ones que están saliendo, huh? Yeah. The other one hit over here. It hit. Let's see if I get lucky in this little hole. No, I keep getting them here, but they're small. I want a big one. We can't take the little ones. They're too little. That one's good? I caught another one, guys. Measure it. Yeah?
That's 5.
Yeah? Woohoo! Stacy, I caught one. Look at that. We only got 3. ¿Se pueden ver? Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna close out my video. Thank you guys for joining me all the way. It was a good day. We got 3 crabs. Whoa. Catching a lot of stuff over there.
That was fun.
I know, they're doing something over there. Okay, anyways, hope you guys like my video. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. 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 Ready? Bye.